Hi! In front of me is Realme Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings and choose privacy section right away. Now you need to tap on app lock and choose settings if you don't have your privacy password. Over here, click on use a different password type and pick one of those login methods as your privacy password. I will go with pattern. Then you need to enter your login method and repeat it. After that, you need to set your recovery email over here and then answer this security question or click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, you can always choose custom question and create your own. Then save it by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner and answer it correctly below. Now click on the check mark at the top right corner over here and finally click on the switcher next to apps that you wish to lock. In my case, it will be Calendar. So now when I go back and try to access Calendar app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!